Today I'm making a chocolate covered strawberry poke cake. First I'm going to make the cake, so in a bowl I'm going to add 1 box of chocolate cake mix. Next I'm following the directions on the back of the cake mix, so I'm adding eggs, oil, and water. Then mix that up until it's combined. Next add the cake batter into a greased 9x13 pan and spread that out, and then bake this at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. While the cake is baking, I'm going to make the filling, so I'm going to add 1 6-ounce box of strawberry jello mix. Next, I'm going to add 2 cups of boiling water and mix that up until the jello is dissolved. Once the cake comes out of the oven, I'm going to use the back of a wooden spoon to poke holes in the cake. Next, I'm going to pour the strawberry jello mixture on top and then let this cool completely. Next, I'm going to make the chocolate whipped cream, so in a bowl I have 2 cups of heavy cream, then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and a half a cup of sugar. I'm going to mix this up until stiff peaks form and then put this in the fridge for later. Next, I'm going to get the strawberries ready for the topping of the cake, so I have some strawberries that I washed here and I'm going to cut each one in half. Next, I'm going to melt some chocolate. Next, I'm going to dip half of the strawberry halves in the chocolate and the other half I'm going to leave plain, and then the ones that I dipped in chocolate I'm going to put in the fridge for 20 minutes, so this way the chocolate is set out. Now that the cake is cooled, I'm going to add the chocolate whipped cream and spread that out. Next, I'm going to add the strawberry halves. I'm going to alternate between the chocolate covered ones and the plain ones. Here's an up close look at the chocolate covered strawberry poke cake.